Well, hello there. We are at Lost Canyon Tours, which is a horse ride buggy wagon thing carried through the dells. This is outside of there. Through the canyon, yeah, what they call it. So we're gonna go check this place out and take you along with us. So maybe if you're in the area, maybe you want to go see something different, then you'll come here because of this video. Yeah, it's true. Anyway, ooh, that's kind of low. Almost hit me in the head. So we're gonna go inside here, but come along with us because you just entered the coolest life, didn't we?
Yes.
So we're gonna go on this horse ride with these two, Aloysius and Jebediah. Should be fun.
Is this the same as like the little landmasses in the dome?
Absolutely. It was about a 30-mile radius. It's all year round.
Yeah.
Otherwise known as a dell. This is a dell. So they really do think.
Dinosaur head, you see it?
Yeah!
Looks like the gas station right next to our hotel. That's Stan.
This is naturally occurring spring water. Okay, so that just comes out of the sandstone, and technically you could drink that. Which one of you kids flipped the switch last time? You did. You want to do it this time? Okay, just wait till I stop. Okay. How old are you? Our advantage is always.
You want that? One of you guys want that?
Here's what the stuff I have on radio.
No, keep them both.
Big horses. Almost 2,000 pounds apiece. This is a bridge that we're on overlooking kind of like the area we were on. It was actually a little downstream up that way. Nice little walkover bridge right behind Fort Wilderness. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video of our quick trip to through some of the dells. The Lost Canyon was really cool. The wagon ride. Of course, we got front row seating. There was like 4 rows behind us or something like that. We got front row seating. We got to smell it all. Yeah, one of those horses had some gas. Hey, it's nature. So anyway, be sure to like and subscribe, or check out some of our other videos that I will put right there. I'll put some videos that will talk about different things you can do in the Wisconsin Dells right down here. This was just one of the many things that we did while we were here. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to like and subscribe, and send this to your friends who might be considering a trip to the Dells. They might want to take the Lost Canyon tour. We enjoyed it, but take care. We'll see you later, because you're now leaving the coolest life, travel edition.